Please try to solve with me only. It will be helpful. Yeah. Write the heading: realization account, debit, credit. Write particulars. Amount rupees. Particulars amount rupees. So what is the first step, students? Yes, you will write all the assets except cash. You will not write. You will write debtors, stock, furniture, machinery, building, and goodwill. As it is, you just copy and write. Okay? Yes. First write 2. Yes. Debtors. Amount is how much? 13,000, right? Yes. Then 2 stock. Amount is 18,000. Then 2 furniture. Amount is 12,000. Then 2 machinery. Amount is 20,000. Then 2 building. Amount will be, what is the amount, students? Just tell me. 50,000, is it? Okay. Then 2 goodwill. It is 10,000. Yes? Okay. Then write all the liabilities. What are the liabilities here to be written? By creditors, amount is 10,000. By bills payable, amount is little not. Okay, bills payable amount is 6,000. Then by bank OD, please write, okay? Amount is 4,000. Then Mrs. Sunil. Sunil is a partner, but Mrs. is his wife. So Sunil's wife is a liability. We have to write. Loan 5,000. Correct? Yes. Okay. Now next is, they have asked you to prepare cash account. So to cash account, by cash account. Okay? Here you can write payments. Here assets realized. Okay. Now maybe you will remember this sign, what I've taught you. All this item will come here, all this item is going to come here. So all these things will come here. First, what is there? But we will see the adjustment, okay? You have to see the adjustment. Okay. Debtors are realized 10% less, isn't it? So make it less. Debtors amount is how much? 13,000. 13,000 when you do 10% less, how much you get? Yes, very good. You get 11,500. Okay. Then stock is realized. Yes. Plus 10% more. Plus it is. When you plus if you do, you get how much? Yes, 19,500. Correct? Yes, very good. It is 13,000, is it? Okay, 13,000. No, 11,000 minus it is.
Minus 10%.
That is not 13,000, is it? Okay, I have written this wrong. Yeah. Sorry, okay. Here 15,000. So it will come here 13,500. Yeah. No, now 13,500. Yes. Debtors will come 11,700, is it? Please tell me. I don't have the calculator here with me.
13,500, ma'am.
13,500.
13,500. Okay. See, if Ifraz make the correction, it is 13,500 it comes, not 11,000. Lenisha also. Yeah? Fine. Clear, no? Ifraz, Lenisha, see, you have taken it. Okay, fine. Next, what is there? Stock is done. Next, furniture. Furniture, I am not writing. Why furniture? Yes, furniture is taken over. Machinery. Machinery amount, we have to write. Adjustment amount is given about furniture. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Furniture is taken over. Machinery amount is not given. When amount is not given, we are assuming it has been realized at the same book value, 20,000 only. Correct? Yes. Next. Yeah, machinery is done. Then vehicle. So they have told there is one adjustment, you see. Unrealized asset something is there. 1 minute. I have seen the wrong question. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anything else to be written here? After machinery, there is building. About building, any information is there? Yeah, building realized 62,000 they are telling, isn't it? So building 62,000. Correct? Next, goodwill is there, students. But goodwill, about goodwill, nothing information is there, right? About goodwill, no information is there. So please mention, remember, about goodwill, it is not taken over and all is not there. So that time, here we are not writing goodwill because goodwill is an intangible asset. Okay? Goodwill is an intangible asset. So that's why we are not, that is not realized. It is not sold. It is intangible. Intangible means what? We cannot touch the goodwill. We cannot see the goodwill. You got building, machinery and all you can touch, see, feel. Goodwill you cannot touch, feel. So it cannot be sold. Fine? Yes. So when you add, how much you get? All this? Yeah. Stock something, 19,800 we get. Is it correct? It is? Just make this calculation. Okay, fine. When you add all this, how much you get? Outer column? 1,19,000. It is 500, is it? Yeah. 1 lakh, yeah, 53,300, is it? Okay, okay. 1,15,300. Okay, this much we get, correct? Okay. This part is done now. Now we will write the liability. Liabilities first, what is there? Creditors, 10,000. Yes, paid 10% less. So 10% if you do, how much you get? Yes, you get 9,000, isn't it? Okay. Next is bills payable. Bills payable, how much amount? Nothing they have told. So realize that same money, 6,000. Then bank OD. Bank overdraft, how much it is here? Bank overdraft amount is 4,000. But in the adjustment, just check the adjustment, student, there is interest. Isn't it? Yes. Interest on bank OD, if you can see, interest on bank OD due 500 also to be paid. It is paid under payment. So you have to pay that interest amount. Okay, right? Interest. Yes, interest on a bank OD. How much it is? 500. Correct? Yes. Anything else? Now, Mrs. Loan is there. See, creditors I have written. Bills payable I have written. Bank overdraft I have written. This one interest is given in the adjustment. But Mrs. Sunil's loan I am not writing. Why? Because it is taken over by Sunil. Sunil takes over the loan. That's why here it will not come. So add all this, put in the outer column. How much it comes when you add? If I am not wrong, is it 19,500? Please tell. Yeah, very good. Correct. Asmika. Okay. Now extra entries we will pass for the assets taken over. Yeah, assets taken over. See, first furniture is taken over. I told you, assets taken over in the credit side. So by, who has taken over that? Yeah, Anil. Anil's capital account. In the bracket, right? furniture taken over. How much it is? Amount is 9,000. Correct? Okay. Then loan. Loan is a liability. See, liability it is. Assets, liability taken over here. Assets taken over is here. So okay, there is one unrecorded vehicle they are telling. The question reads, students, one thing I have missed, I think. That is, here. There is one adjustment we have to take, students. Vehicle which is unrecorded realized 4,000. Realized. Okay, vehicle which was unrecorded realized 4,000. Realized under where it will come? It is going to come for this. So maybe here we'll just add vehicle unrecorded. Unrecorded. Maybe we'll add this here 4,000. When we add, how much you'll get? 1 lakh. It will come 19,000. Is, if I'm not wrong, correct? Just make one correction. One adjustment is given. Vehicle unrecorded. So we have to add it in this. So what will be the total now? Tell me. This total will little change. Okay, you have to add 4,000 to this. How much it will give you? Yes, it will give 1,19,000. 1,19,500, is it? 300. Okay, 1,19,000. Just I'll 5 make it a 9. Okay. Maybe in the pencil I'll just write it for you if you cannot see. 1,19,300 it is. Okay. Yes. Fine. Furniture taken over is done. Now loan. Sunil, loan account is taken over by Sunil. Liability is taken over, we are writing in the debit side. So, who has taken over? To Sunil's capital account. Bracket I'll just write. Mrs. Sunil's loan taken over. Taken over. How much is the loan? Here 5,000. So 5,000 I'm right. Yes? Okay. Okay. Is there anything else which entry has to be? Did I miss anything? Yes, dissolution expenses there is. Dissolution expense is always this side, debit side. So to cash account. Bracket only, right? Dissolution expenses. Amount is how much? 3,000, right? It is. What is the amount? Dissolution expenses. Yes, 3,000. Correct. Now make the total both the sides. Finish now. I have not missed anything. Have I? No. Looks like I have taken care of all the things we have done. Now make the total both the sides. Make the total. How much it comes? I think it is credit side is more. Just check. It will come 1,53,300. 1,53,300. Balancing amount is? Yeah, correct. Balancing amount is just 800. Yeah, correct. So 800 has to be given to the two partners. So I'm writing, see, two partners capital account. What are the two partners' name? Anil, Sunil. What is the ratio? Equally, half. So half when you multiply and give, you will get how much? 400 here, 400 here. Correct? 400 each. Very good. So just remember here one point, students. Goodwill is not taken over. But still I am not writing here. Assets realized early, goodwill I have not written because goodwill is an intangible asset. Yes? Okay. Then interest one I have added because it is given in the question. Okay. Now let's solve the partner's capital account. Please draw the line, students. Two partners. Yeah. Debit, credit, Particulars. Anil, Sunil, rupees, rupees. Particulars. Anil, rupees, Sunil, rupees. Right? Oh, sorry. Partners. Capital. Account. What is the first step in partners capital account? We all know that. That is by balance brought down. Very good. Amount is how much? Yes. 52,000, 45,000. What is the second step? Yes, realization account. See, amount is here. So it will come here. By realization account. It is profit. Amount how much you got here? Same, right? 400 here, 400 here. Okay. Yes. What is the next step? You just see your old balance sheet. Reserve is there. Check reserve is there. Profit and loss account is there, students. Yes, I think profit and loss account is there. Reserve is not there. Profit and loss account is there. It is there in the, yes, there in the liability side. So we are writing here. By profit and loss account. What is the amount there? 8,000. Give it in the ratio 1:1. When you give, how much it will come? Equally? Yes, 4,000 each. Correct? Now you have to just check. First I did balance brought down, realization account, then profit and loss. Next, check in the partner realization account. Any partner's name has come? Yes, see. Sunil is here, Anil is here. First for Sunil will pass. Sunil entry is which side? Debit side. Debit side, right? So here I am writing in the credit side. But don't write Sunil's account. You'll write from which account you are taking? Realization account. By realization account. Only for Sunil you will give. Amount was how much there? Here, 5,000. Only for Sunil. Okay? Yes. Then Anil's account is any partner's name you have to search. Okay? Partner name Anil. It is in which side? Credit side. So I'm writing here in the debit side. 2. Don't write Anil's account. Write realization account. What is the amount here? 9,000 Anil. So only for Anil 9,000 you will give. Correct? Now balance it. See, I think this side is more definitely. It is 56,400, 56,400. When you minus this, you will get, yes, 47,400. Correct? Your highest is 54,400. Very good. 54,400. Here 54,400 because there's nothing to minus. So put it to cash account. Correct? Yes. Now last one we will do cash account. We'll do cash account. Okay. One account will do. I think I'm going to adjust it here only. Small account it is. Debit, credit, particulars, amount rupees, particulars, amount rupees, right? Cash account. What is the first step in cash account or bank account? What we are doing? First is, yes, yes, that is to balance brought down. Okay, to balance brought down. Okay, what is the amount brought down? See the question. Balance sheet only. 5,000. Next, it is easy. You have to see where all cash account is there. See cash account. How much it is? This amount. It is there in which side? Debit side. So I'm writing here in the credit side. Buy. From which account you took? Realization account. Amount is there? 19,500. It is payments, right? In the bracket, just write payments there. This is optional, okay? If you don't write also, no problem. Okay. Next, the cash account, where it is there? This cash account is done. Next is here, to cash account 3,000. It is in debit side, so I'm writing here in the credit side. By realization account. Amount is 3,000. The bracket, dissolution expenses. Correct? Next, the cash account, where it is there? Here. By cash account, 1,19,300. By. It is there in the credit side. So I'm writing here in the debit side. To realization account. So 1,19,300. Correct? Okay. Next cash account is where? Here. To cash account, to partners. It is there in the which side? Yes. Debit side. So here I'm writing in the credit side. By Anil's capital account. By Sunil's capital account. Amount is this, only copy and write. See, it was here, I'm writing is here. Reverse. Is 7,400, 54,400. Now balance it. See whether it comes total both the side equal. Yes. If it is both the side equal, that means you have done all correct. Yes. Yeah. It comes 1,24,300. Okay. Yes. Clear? Any doubts in this problem, students? Okay. Shall we move to another one problem I will solve, then I will end the class. Correct? Any doubts in this? Should I move ahead? Okay. One more problem I will solve. Which problem will solve? Okay. Here, this problem we have solved just now, Anil Sunil. Anil Sunil finished, no? One second, which I finished? Okay, Anil Sunil. 18th one I have done. 17th one. See here, we'll just see here. Okay. So you should tell me, will solve this problem? Tanu and Sunu. Partners capital account, that is balance sheet is given. Then all information is given. Should we solve this problem? Yes. Then maybe the next problem, next two problems I will give you as homework. This is little easy. Adjustments are little easy. Okay, they are little easy. So maybe I will solve you this problem. 17th one. Okay. 17th problem of your question bank. Please open. That is Tanu Sonu. Yes, balance sheet is given. This information is given like this. This one problem will solve. Please draw the lines. Seventeenth problem, okay? What I'm doing? Okay. Right here, realization account, amount rupees, particulars, debit, credit, amount rupees, particulars. Okay. What is our first step? Yes. You'll write all the assets. Which are the assets here? Here. Cash at bank you don't write. Write stock, debtors, investment, motor car, furniture, fixtures. Okay. Liabilities, write sundry creditors, bills payable, bank loan. Okay. Capital and reserve. Capital and reserve you should not write. First three you should write. Okay. Let's write now. Okay. To stock, amount is 75,000. To sundry debtors, amount is 35,000. To investments, amount is 70,000. To motor car, right, 90,000. Same as it is, I am copying and writing. To machinery, amount is 45,000. To, what was that? Yeah, fixtures. Sundry debtors is 55,000. Okay, 55. Yes. 9,000. Correct? Okay. Now write by, yes. Write it by sundry creditors 62,000. By bills payable 32,000. By bank loan 50,000. Correct? Yes. Okay. What is the next step? They have asked you to prepare which account, cash account or bank account? Yes, bank account. So, to bank account you write, underline, by bank account you write. Underline. Assets realized. This is payments. Okay. Fine. Now we know this step. We will write all the assets like this, then the liabilities like this. Assets we will just check. First one, stock. About stock, what they are telling? It is realized that. How much they are telling? See the question. Oh, see, sundry creditors except stock. One adjustment is there, see students, about stock. Sundry creditors except stock and paid 10,000 to the firm. Only 10,000 is paid. So, realized is only 10,000. Very less actually. Correct? Okay. Next. Investment. Next is, okay. Stock is done. Then debtors are there. Sundry debtors. But about debtors, any information is there? About debtors, what they are telling? Yes, we'll just check that. Yes, here. Tannu agrees to pay the bank loan and took over the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors he has taken over. So sundry debtors we will not write here. Okay? Yes. Next, what will we write? Yeah, just check the question. Investment there is. Investment will write. Investment amount is 70,000, is it? 76,000, sorry. Next, after investment is motor car. Motor car also is taken over by Tanu. It is taken over by Tanu. It is given in the question. Next is machinery. Machinery is taken over by Sonu. Yes? See, maybe we can just have a look in the question. See. Machinery is taken over by Sanu. Motor car is taken over by Tanu here. Okay, fixtures amount is 4,000, right? Fixtures is 4,000. Yes? Okay. Is there any unrecorded investment? Is there, students? See the question, fixtures, yeah, I have done. Unrecorded investment is there? Anything did I miss? No, right? Okay. That's it. Add this. When you add, how much you get? You'll get 90,000. Correct. Now here, we will do this part. This is done. This part we will do. First is what? Sundry creditors. About creditors, what they are telling? Yes. Actually, student, this is a very interesting problem. Your creditors, what they have given in the question? We'll just see. It's there in my phone. It is closing and opening. See, about creditors, see, creditors accept the stock and they are happy with that. You can see this, no? Adjustment, see. Sundry creditors accept the stock and pay 10,000. That means again for creditors there is no need to do payment. Yes, sundry creditors accept the stock and pay 10,000 to the firm. Yes, 10,000 they have paid. So 10,000 entry is done. So creditors again you don't have to pay. Why? Already they have taken the stock. Correct? See, actually stock value was 75,000 here, students, 75,000. But they have given us only 10,000. So again creditors you will not pay. Okay? Yes. Next, bills payable. I think bills payable is also taken over, no? See, where is that? It's here. That is Sonu agrees to pay bills payable at discount to 5%. Sonu takes here. Sonu will take the bills payable. Here, Sonu and agreed to pay bills payable. So bills payable also is gone. Bank loan. Bank loan is someone paying. Just check the question. Who is paying the bank loan? You can see. See here. Tanu agrees to pay the bank loan also. So bank loan is taken by Tanu. In that case, this entry will not come. Okay? Maybe entry, maybe later you can just scratch it out. Okay? But don't worry, in the exam for you such problems they will not give. Okay? They will give with a transaction where your amount will come. Yes? So your amount will come. But now in this problem, all this thing are paid by the partners. So we will pass the entry one by one. Is it clear, student? Did you understand what I told now? Yes. Okay. Now we'll pass. Write it. Yes. First, for Tanu taking over bank loan. For Tanu capital account. Right here. Bank loan. What is the amount bank loan? 50,000. Okay. Here nothing has come. Why? Because all these things are paid by the partners only. Okay. Then bills payable is done by Sonu to Sonu's capital account. Right here. Bills payable. What was the amount? Bills payable? 30,000. But she has paid how much? There is discount is done. Discount she has done. How much it is? Amount 32,000 again. Minus 5% she has paid. See the question. Minus is done. 5% discount. So it will come how much? 30,400 if I am not wrong. Correct? Just tell me the amount is correct. In the question it is given, Sonu has paid the bills payable with a discount 5%. That's why. Okay? Yes. Then there is realization expenses. So that will be paid to bank account after that. To bank account, right? The realization expenses. Amount is 2,200. Correct? Okay. Next, for the assets taken over. Sonu has taken over the furniture. Furniture taken over will be written here. So, by Sonu's capital account. Bracket alli write furniture. Taken over. Not furniture, machinery, right? Machinery it is, okay? It is machinery. Machinery. Amount is how much? Machinery is 45,000, but she has taken it for 40,000. See the question. Okay? Yes. Next, Tanu has taken over the debtors and motor car, both. See the question. Here. Machinery was taken over by Sanu, 40,000. Then, here, motor car was taken over by Tanu. Okay, investment. So, motor car by Tanu. And again, what Tanu has taken over? Okay. Yes, we'll write. Write the amount. Tanu has taken over, right? By Tanu's capital account. She has taken over two things, sundry debtors and a motor car. So I'm writing yes, together we'll pass the entry. Sundry debtors, amount is 55,000, inner column. Then motor car, both she has taken over. Amount is 60,000. When you add, how much it will get? Yes, 1,15,000 amount. Correct? Did you understand this? Together I have passed because both she has taken. Both she has taken, no? So together I have added. Anything else? Is this any doubts in this? Please tell. Okay. Here it is given, say. Tanu agrees to pay bank loan. For that entry we have done, bank loan. Then took over the sundry debtors. Then here see, again, Tanu, motor car also is taken over by Tanu. So, sundry debtors and motor car, together I have passed the entry. Okay, finish. Now balance it. Make the total. Make the total, students. How much it comes? Please tell. How much you get the total? Please tell. No one is responding. Why? Total, how much it is? If I'm not wrong, is it 4,26,000? 1,600? Yeah, very good. Yeah, 42 lakh. Yeah, 6,600. Yeah, 4,26,600. How much it is less? Yes, it is loss. How much it is? 37,600. Transfer it to the by partners capital account. Right bracket only loss. Who are the partners? Tanu and Sonu. What is the ratio? 5:3. 5:3 andre 5/8, 3/8 into 37,600 loss. 37,600 loss. How much it will give you when you multiply? Yes, 23,500. It is 14,100. See whether it is correct. Yes. Okay, now we'll do partners capital account. Lost money is different, is it? Correct, no? 37,600 I got. Just take his, yeah, no, Ifras, there is little calculation wrong what you have done maybe. It will come 37,600 only. Little, see the correction you do. Okay. Maybe now next partners capital account will do. Debit, credit, partners capital account. Particulars, Tanu and Sonu, rupees. Particulars, Tanu rupees, Sonu rupees. Okay. What is the first step in partners capital account? Yes. By balance brought down. What is the amount? See there in the question. 1,10,000 and 90,000. By, next, first step is this, second step is this. It has come which side? Credit side. So it will come in the debit side. To realization account. What is the amount? Same amount, copy and write. 23,500, 14,100. Correct? Yes. What is the first step I did? By balance brought down. Second is realization account. Okay. Next is just check the old balance sheet. Is there any adjustment? Reserve is there? Yes, there is reserve. So write by reserve fund. Amount is 16,000. Give it in the ratio 5:3. How much you get? Yes, 10,000 and 6,000. Correct, very good. Linisha. Next, we will pass the contra entry. Partner's name. Here, where all partners' name are there? Two. Tanu's capital, Sonu's capital. Both are in debit side. So, I am writing here in the credit side. By realization account. See, only one entry I am passing, okay? You can just write here, payments you do. Payments you do. See here, for Tanu, how much it is? 50,000, no? In Tanu, you write 50,000. For Sonu, it is 30,400. So, here you write 30,400. You can make it separate entry also. Again, you have to write realization, then here. But instead of that, only one entry I am passing, amount I am putting together. This is also correct, okay? There's no wrong. What did I do? I will tell once again. Tanu's capital, Sonu's capital, debit side. I am writing in the credit side. Realization account. Tanu do 50,000 illi. Sonu 30,000 here. Correct? Okay. Next. Here partners capital account, see. Sonu's capital account, Tanu's capital account, amount see. So I'll write in the, here it is there in the credit side. So I'm writing here in the debit side. To realization account, bracket Ali just write, assets paid anta bari. Assets taken over. Taken over. Separate I will not pass here. For Sonu it is how much? 40,000, no? For Sonu I am writing here 40,000. And for Tanu, this amount I will write. Same entry only, 1 lakh. Correct? What you understood now what I did? Only one entry I wrote. Amount I put it together. Yes? Okay. Now finish. Now balance it. Balance it. How much it will come? Make the total. It is 1,70,000, 1,70,000. Here it will come 1,26,400, 1,26,400. Next year transfer to bank account. How much it is? 31,500, 72,300. Okay. Next to bank account, you do it. It is easy. First is to balance brought down anta ಮಾಡಿ. Then all the contra entries you give. Year only one. Year second. Third is this both. Yes? Okay. Okay, students. Then today, homework 2 problems I will give. You can solve it slowly. Today, tomorrow. Time is there. Okay, solve it. Easy. All problems are similar. Okay? Yes. Thank you, students, for joining. If you want recording, once again, I will send it to you.